Latest ChatGPT 5 predicts XRP, SOL and ETH prices for end of 2025. Ethereum, Solana, XRP. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. ChatGPT's latest update expects tidy price gains for XRP, Solana and Ether holders. Is altcoin season almost upon us? Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Web3 journalist Tim Hakki. Web3 journalist Tim Hakki. About author. A journalist and copywriter with a decade's experience across music, video games, finance, and tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated 25 minutes ago. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. The fifth version of ChatGPT predicts that XRP, Solana, and Ethereum could deliver major gains for investors by the holiday season. Recent market developments potentially light the way. Last week, Bitcoin climbed to a new all-time high of $124,128, surpassing its previous record of $122,838 from only a month earlier. However, prices quickly corrected after the Bureau of Labor Statistics reported higher-than-expected U.S. inflation numbers for July. On the regulatory front, President Trump signed the Genius Act in July, the nation's first comprehensive legislation for stablecoins, requiring them to be fully backed by reserves. A little later, the Securities and Exchange Commission introduced Project Crypto, a major initiative aimed at modernizing securities regulations and offering clearer guidance to crypto firms. With regulations evolving and investor optimism building, many analysts believe the next rally in altcoins and meme tokens could eclipse the speculative frenzy of 2021. If ChatGPT's forecast proves accurate, XRP, Solana, and Ethereum may be leading the way. XRP Ripple ChatGPT predicts a 3x rally, targeting $10 by year-end. ChatGPT predicts that XRP could rise toward $15 by the end of 2025, a move that would more than quintuple its current trading price of $2.90. The token has already demonstrated impressive momentum. On July 18th, XRP touched $3.65, moving past its 2018 record of $3.40, before dropping back about 20.6% as the market turned bearish. Ripple's cross-border payments technology continues to gain ground internationally. In 2024, the UN Capital Development Fund recognized XRP as a potential solution for affordable transfers in developing countries. Earlier this year, Ripple also resolved its long-running dispute with the SEC after the regulator dropped its case. This followed a 2023 court ruling that confirmed retail sales of XRP are not securities, a precedent that eased regulatory pressure on virtually all altcoins. If XRP revisits its peak and extends higher, ChatGPT sees $5 as a reasonable target, with $15 achievable under a strong bull market. On a technical level, conditions also look promising. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is currently sitting at 43, which means the sell-off has pulled it away from its 30-day moving average and the market is now undervaluing it, which could catalyze a quick rebound. Over the last 365 days, XRP has surged 383%, outpacing Bitcoin's 90% gain and Ethereum's 65% rise. Solana SOL ChatGPT predicts ETF speculation and network growth driving 5 times gains by Christmas. Solana, $SOL, is continuing to reinforce its position in the smart contract space, now valued at more than $99 billion, with $10.7 billion in total value locked, TVL, while continuing to attract both developers and institutional players. Part of the optimism comes from speculation that a US-approved Solana spot ETF could be on the horizon. Such a product would likely replicate the large institutional inflows that followed the approval of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Adding to the discussion, President Trump hinted earlier this year on social media that Solana could be included in the proposed U.S. National Bitcoin Reserve. However, under the current proposal, it would fall under a hold-only rule, meaning tokens could only be sourced from law enforcement seizures rather than direct government purchases. On the charts, Solana has managed to break free from a prolonged downtrend. After peaking at $250 in January, dropping to $100 in April, and rebounding to $184, it now looks stronger. This breakout from its descending wedge pattern has ChatGPT forecasting a potential run toward $1,000 by late 2026, more than triple its previous all-time high of $293.31 set in January. Still, this bullish scenario is realistically only likely if the SEC introduces comprehensive crypto regulations in the fall. Ethereum ETH ChatGPT predicts the Ethereum wave could break at the heady $10,000 mark. Ethereum, $ETH, continues to serve as a cornerstone of the blockchain sector. Since its launch in 2015, it has grown into the second-largest cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization now exceeding $516 billion. Its greatest strength is its smart contract ecosystem, which underpins much of the decentralized finance industry. At present, more than $88.8 billion in TVL is across DeFi protocols built on Ethereum. ChatGPT envisions a bullish path where Ethereum could climb to $10,000 by the end of 2025, about 4 times its current level of $4,264. This projection is driven by Ethereum's key role in Web3 adoption, along with its dedicated team, which are constantly implementing network upgrades to scale the blockchain. Additionally, the growing participation of institutionals through spot Ethereum ETFs, stablecoins, and real-world asset (RWA) tokenization makes Ethereum arguably a safer bet than Bitcoin. If President Trump pushes forward with a comprehensive U.S. crypto framework, it could unlock a new wave of mainstream adoption, which Ethereum would easily benefit from, given the plethora of Layer 2 protocols and DeFi dApps it houses. Recent price movement supports a bullish outlook. Following a lengthy consolidation period marked by a falling wedge formation, Ethereum rebounded from $1,800 in April to $2,412 by May 7th. Then from July it climbed multiple legs higher towards its current valuation. Clearly, larger investors are interested in supporting this one. Beyond the big names, Best Wallet emerges as a safe bet for investors. As enthusiasm around altcoins increases, investors are also focusing on security and self-custody solutions. One project drawing significant attention is Best Wallet. The platform's native token, $BEST, is at the center of a fast-growing ICO that has already raised more than $15 million in pre-sales. Best Wallet sets itself apart through its upcoming tokens feature, which highlights promising projects before they hit public exchanges, giving users early investment opportunities. It also streamlines yield farming by aggregating leading staking pools, helping users maximize passive income. Available on both iOS and Android, the Best Wallet app supports more than 1,000 digital assets and employs Fireblock's MPC-CMP encryption to ensure strong security. With concerns about Ethereum scalability still circulating, Best Wallet is positioning itself as a compelling alternative for investors who want both safety and growth potential. Follow Best Wallet on X and Telegram for the latest updates. Click here to participate in the presale. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Your phone can now mine crypto. XRP mining app turns smartphones into daily miners. Why is crypto down today? August 19, 2025 XRP price prediction. SEC ETF decision pushed to October 2025. Bullish or bearish? Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. ETH tests $4,350 resistance. $10,000 this cycle? 1 day ago. By Ahmed Balaha. Blockchain news. Thailand launches crypto-to-bot payment system for tourists starting August 18. 4 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Altcoin news. Altcoin season shock. These 3 coins could make portfolios pop if rotation holds. 3 days ago. By Hongji Feng. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 9 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 15 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.